So our first salad, we have a chicken salad, which is a semi-vegan salad. It has chicken on it, and it has kale and onion and raisins with it. So it's a very good source of vitamins A, C, and K, and B6. It has some minerals in it like calcium, iron, zinc, manganese, and potassium. For the second salad, we have a spinach fruit salad, which is vegan. It has an ounce of nuts, strawberries, raisins, and spinach. It's also a very good source of vitamins A, C, K, and B6. Source of minerals like calcium, iron, zinc, potassium. And the strawberries are water soluble with vitamin C, and minerals, potassium, iron, copper, magnesium, and phosphorus. So for the last salad, we have the chickpea salad, which is vegetarian. It has cheese, kale, and spinach, chickpeas, onions, and red peppers. It's also a very good source of vitamins A, C, and K, and B6 because of the kale. Cheese is a fat soluble, which has vitamins A, B, and D with minerals iron, calcium, and magnesium. Chickpeas in the salad have vitamins B6 and minerals calcium, magnesium, and iron.